In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to outline text in PowerPoint step by step. Adding an outline to your text is a simple but powerful way to make your titles stand out, improve readability, and give your slides a more professional design. Whether you're creating a presentation for school, business, or content creation, this quick formatting trick can make a big difference. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide that contains the text you want to outline. Click directly on the text box and then select the specific text you want to apply the outline to. You can either highlight individual words or select the entire text box by clicking on its border. Once your text is selected, look at the top of your screen and click on the Format tab. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, this may appear as shape format or text format, but the process is the same. After clicking on Format, locate the option called Text Outline in the toolbar. You'll see a small arrow next to Text Outline. Go ahead and click on that arrow to open the drop-down menu. This is where you can customize how your text outline will look. First, choose the color you want for the outline. You can select from the theme colors shown or click on More Outline Colors if you want to choose a custom color for a more unique look. Once you've selected your color, open the Text Outline drop-down again and hover over Weight. This allows you to adjust the thickness of the outline. You can choose from preset thickness options or select more lines at the bottom to enter a specific width value for more precise control. Increasing the weight will make the outline thicker and more visible, while a smaller weight will create a subtle border effect. Adjust this based on how bold you want your text to appear and how it contrasts with your slide background. Now that your outline is set, let's enhance the design even further by adjusting the text fill. With your text still selected, go back to the Format tab and click on Text Fill. Here you can change the inside color of your text. This works especially well when you combine a light fill with a dark outline, or vice versa, to create strong contrast. You can also experiment with gradients or picture fills if you want a more creative design style. Play around with different combinations until you achieve the look that best fits your presentation theme. And that's it. You've successfully outlined text in PowerPoint. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks. Select your text, click on Format, open Text Outline, choose your color, adjust the width, and then customize the text fill. This small formatting feature can dramatically improve the visual impact of your slides and help important information stand out to your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.